Good morning, dear students. Are you hearing me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
How are you?
Fine, sir. And you?
I'm also fine.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. So, you get the notice about your physical classes?
Yes, sir, we got.
So, I think from 28 your classes will start.
No, sir, from Choit first.
Chaitra first.
Yes, sir.
Oh, your arrival is there on 28. That means
Yes, sir, arrival.
for hostel student boys or some girls who want to live in hostel. So are you preparing your fair copies? Your fair copies are ready?
Yes, sir.
We are in chapter of area and we completed the chapter related to commission and taxation. If you have any problem related to commission and taxation, you may ask to me. त्यहाँको च्याप्टरबाट कुनै क्वेसन सल्भ गर्दा भएन भने you may ask that to me. Next one, we discuss some formula related to this chapter. So let's revise those formula once again shortly. यो सर्ट वेमा यहाँ जाउँ है त. Already I said that we'll discuss on these topics here up to the area of these area of square, rectangle, parallelogram, triangle, equilateral triangle, square, quadrilateral, trapezium, rhombus and circle. We discussed these last week also, and after that today we'll discuss about area of these pathways, cost of paving, area of wall, ceiling and floor, similarly cost of carpeting, plastering, painting and papering, etc. So at first we discussed this last week also. Again, let's revise these. Area of square is already given and perimeter of square is also given. Area of rectangle, all of you know it, L into B. So please repeat with me. And perimeter two times L plus B. Similarly, area of parallelogram,
Base into height.
base into height. Similarly, perimeter of parallelogram, sum of length of all four sides. And area of triangle, 1 by 2, base into height, and perimeter of triangle, sum of length of all three sides. Similarly, area of equilateral triangle, root 3 by 4a square, perimeter 3a, area of rhombus 1 by 2 d1 into d2, and the perimeter is sum of length of all four sides. Similarly, area of trapezium 1 by 2 h bracket b1 plus b2, and the perimeter is sum of length of all four sides. Similarly, for quadrilateral, area is 1 by 2 d times h1 plus h2, and perimeter is sum of length of all four sides. Circle, area is pi r square or pi d square by 4, and circumference or perimeter of circle is 2 pi r or pi d. Up to here we discussed last week also. So we are going to move towards some more formula related to this chapter. So area of outer path, we discussed about these things. अलिकति आउटर पाथ भने के हो, इनर पाथ भने के हो भन्ने कुरा डिस्कस त गरेका थियौँ, बट वी डिड नट डिस्कस अलट. धेरै कुरा डिस्कस गरेका थिएनौँ. जस्तो आउटर पाथ भनेको कस्तो भयो भने यो एउटा फिल्ड हो, यसको बाहिरबाट एउटा बाटो बनेको छ. दिस इज द वे आउटसाइड अफ इट. यसको बाहिर एउटा बाटो बनेको छ भने यो बाटोको एरिया हामीले फाइन्ड आउट गर्नुपर्ने हो. ओके, दिस एरिया अफ दिस पाथ वी हेभ टु फाइन्ड आउट. यसैलाई आउटर पाथ भन्ने. अब यो आउटर पाथ कस्तो कस्तोमा हुनसक्छ त? एउटा रेक्टेङ्गुलर फिल्डमा हामी यहाँ क्यालकुलेट गर्छौँ, एनदर सर्कुलर फिल्ड एन्ड एनदर स्क्वायर फिल्ड. यो जेनरली विच यु आर अब्जर्भिङ अन स्क्रिन इज रेक्टेङ्गुलर फिल्ड. यो रेक्टेङ्गुलर फिल्ड छ. रेक्टेङ्गुलर फिल्डको आउटर पाथको एरिया निकाल्नुपर्ने. त्यसपछि एरिया अफ outer path for the square and area of outer path for the circle, circular field को लागि. maybe it is field or it may be any other thing. जस्तो घरको वरपर बाटो पनि हुन सक्छ अथवा बीचमा यहाँनिर पोन्ड हुन सक्छ, पोखरी, स्विमिङ पुल एटसेट्रा, त्यसको वरपर एउटा बाटो छ भन्ने कुरा आयो. So for it, at first, as I have drawn a rough figure here, similar figure we have to draw. This is one field, or you may say swimming pool or pond, whose length is L and breadth is V. Length L र breadth V छ. यसको बाहिर एउटा बाटो छ. Path is around it, outside of it, whose width is D. D width भएको एउटा बाटो छ. कसको बाहिरपट्टि? Field जसको length L र जसको breadth V छ. Now check out the length and breadth of outer rectangle. Inner rectangle को length L छ है. यो बुझेन भने सोधिहाल. Inner rectangle को length L छ, breadth B छ, and width D is added to both side. Left side र right side मा पनि D add भयो. D plus L. This is the total length L plus 2D. Is this clear? यो L plus 2D कसरी भयो? भित्रको रेक्टेंगल को लेंथ L छ, दुईटैतिर D र D add भयो. 2D. 2D is added. So its length becomes L plus 2D. Similarly, breadth. Throw the breadth also. Breadth B छ, D र D. यो widthहरु दुईटा add भयो. In upper part and in lower part. So it is B plus 2D, length of outer rectangle. This I have written here to calculate the formula. हामीले formula find out गर्नुपर्ने छ. Formula अब कसरी find out हुन्छ? 8th class मा तिमीहरुले area of shaded region भनेर calculate गरेका थियौ नि? Did you remember?
Yes, sir.
यो त याद आयो होला. एउटा रेक्टेंगल हुन्थ्यो, बाहिरपट्टि यहाँ स्याडो बनाएको हुन्थ्यो, त्यसको एरिया निकाल्थ्यो. त्यस्तै प्रोसेस यहाँ युज गर्ने हो. भित्रको रेक्टेंगलको एरिया बाहिरको रेक्टेंगलको एरियाबाट माइनस गरिदियो भने यतिको एरिया आउँछ जो यो बाहिरपट्टि आउटर पाथ देखिया छ. We will get the area of this outer path, or you can say this is the different shaded region. Okay? त्यसैले यो पाथको एरिया निकाल्नको लागि area of outer rectangle minus area of inner rectangle गर्नुपर्ने छ. So if this field is rectangular, area of this path is equal to area of outer rectangle minus area of inner rectangle. And area of outer rectangle's length is L plus 2D. यसको length L plus 2D छ अनि यसको breadth B plus 2D छ. So this is the area of outer rectangle. Let me clarify this one. यो length भयो. This is the length of outer rectangle and this one is the breadth of outer rectangle. So length into breadth is the area of outer rectangle minus area of inner rectangle. भित्रपट्टि यो blue colored जुन rectangle छ यसको area हुन्छ length into breadth L into B only. So now simplify it. अब काम यति बाँकी रह्यो कि यो दुईटा multiply गरेर simplify गर्न बाँकी छ. For it, at first multiply B plus 2D by L. B plus 2D लाई L ले multiply गर. This then multiply these two values by, if it is multiplied by L, यो दुईटै भ्यालु लाई L ले multiply गर्यो भने एउटा हुन्छ LB, अर्को 2LD, LB plus 2LD. Similarly, if both are multiplied by 2D, यो दुईटैलाई 2D ले multiply गर्यो भने 2BD एउटा भयो, 2D into 2D, 4D square, and minus LB. Now you can cancel out these two. LB and LB are cancelled. What is remaining after this? Remaining values are 2LD plus 2BD plus 4D square. What is common from these all? यो तीनटैबाट के कमन लिन सकिन्छ?
D.
Only D?
2D.
2D.
Yes, we can take 2D common. यो तीनटैबाट 2D कमन आयो भने बचेको भ्यालु हुन्छ यहाँ L बच्छ, यहाँनिर B and from last one 2D. This is the formula for area of outer path of the rectangle. कुनै रेक्टेंगल छ, रेक्टेंगल को बाहिर एउटा बाटो बनेको छ भने त्यसको area of the external path of rectangle is 2D bracket L plus B plus 2D. Is this clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Now, if in place of rectangle, if there is square, अब rectangle नभएर square भयो भने के हुन्छ? Length and breadth of square are equal, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Square का length र breadth equal हुन्छन् भने यहाँ breadth को ठाउँमा पनि length राख्न मिल्छ.
Yes, sir.
So we can say area of outer field if it is square 2D bracket L plus 2D. यो B को ठाउँमा पनि कति राख्यौं हामीले? L राख्यौं in place of D also. Now L plus L it becomes 2L. 2D bracket 2L plus 2D. Again 2 is common from these two. यो दुईटाबाट 2 common लिन मिल्छ. And finally formula is if 2 is taken as common, बाहिर पनि एउटा 2 already छ, 2 to the 4D times L plus D. This is the area of outer field of the square. Square को outer field को लागि यो formula use हुन्छ. Is there any confusion in this formula?
No, sir.
Okay, then let's move to area of outer path for the circular field. अब यहाँ हेर त, there is one circular field. यो भित्रको चाहिँ circular field हो. This inner one, बाहिर shaded region is the path. Okay. So radius of this field is R. Width of the path is D. Then radius of outer circle, बाहिर पनि एउटा सर्कल बन्यो, यसको बाहिरपट्टि एउटा पाथ छ भने बाहिर पनि एउटा सर्कल बन्यो. So for this circle radius is R plus D. Again as like previous one, अघिको जस्तै बाहिरको सर्कलको एरियाबाट भित्रको सर्कलको एरिया माइनस गर्यो भने एरिया अफ पाथ आउँछ. जसरी प्रिभियस क्वेशनमा आउटर रेक्टेंगलबाट इनर रेक्टेंगल माइनस गरेर एरिया अफ पाथ आएको थियो, त्यस्तै यहाँ पनि हामीले प्रोसेस गर्ने हो. सो फर दिस सर्कुलर फिल्ड area of outer path is equal to area of outer circle minus area of inner circle. So do you know the formula of area of circle?
Pi r square.
Pi r square.
Pi r square.
For outer circle, what is the radius? Outer circle को radius कति छ?
R plus D.
R plus D. So in place of r square, we have to put r plus d whole square. For inner circle, radius is r only. So area of inner circle is pi r square only. Same thing we have to write here. Pi r plus d square. R square को ठाउँमा r plus d square किन आयो? Because radius of outer circle is r plus d. Minus this is the area of inner circle. यो बाहिरको circle को area हो, यो भित्रको circle को area हो. And now use the formula of algebra. Algebra को a plus b whole square को formula use गरेर त यो के हुन्छ? r plus d whole square. R square plus 2rd plus d square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. We have to use this formula. R square plus 2rd plus d square by using formula of a plus b whole square. Other terms remain same here. तिनीलाई जस्ताको त्यस्तै छोड्यौं. Now multiply this pi inside. pi लाई भित्र multiply गरिदियो भने pi r square अनि 2 pi r d त्यसपछि pi d square minus pi r square remains as it is. Now cancel out these two. यो pi r square र pi r square cancel भयो. From these two remaining values, anything is common?
Pi d.
Pi d.
Yes, pi d is common. If pi d is taken as common, it will be
pi r.
2r plus d only. If from this and this one, यहाँबाट पाइ डी कमन आयो भने बच्यो 2r, यताबाट पाइ डी कमन आयो भने d मात्रै बच्यो. So this is the formula of area of outer path of circle. Circle को external path अथवा outer path जे भने पनि हुन्छ. So area of outer path for the circular field is pi d bracket 2r plus d. Is there any confusion?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
If there is no confusion, area of this same thing I copied here at last. Yeah, बाकी केही पनि गरेको छैन. Just area of outer path is pi d bracket 2r plus d. Next one is the formula for area of inner path. Now look at this rectangular field whose length is L and breadth is B. Length L र breadth B भएको एउटा rectangular field छ. Inside this there is a path. यसको भित्र एउटा बाटो छ. सुरुमा यो field थियो, okay? And inside this field there is a path of width D. बाटोको width D छ. भनेपछि D and D are decreased from the both side to get the length of inner rectangle. भित्रको rectangle को length कसरी आउँछ? बाहिरको rectangle को length बाट D र D 2D minus गरेपछि आउँछ. So length of inner rectangle is L minus 2D. Is this clear? L minus 2D कसरी भयो भन्ने clear भयो कि भएन? Is this clear to you? L minus 2D?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me repeat again. If length of outer rectangle is L, outer rectangle को length L छ, D र D 2D दुईटैतिरबाट subtract भयो. D and D 2D is subtracted, so it is the length of inner rectangle. Similarly, for breadth also D is subtracted from both sides, माथि र तल, from upper portion and from
B
lower
minus
portion
2D.
2D is subtracted. So length of inner rectangle is B minus 2D. So as like previous question, to find out the area of this path, we have to subtract area of inner rectangle from area of outer rectangle. Outer rectangle को area बाट inner rectangle को area minus गर्नु पर्यो. So area of inner path is equal to area of outer rectangle minus area of inner rectangle. Area of outer rectangle is L into B. Outer rectangle को length L छ, breadth B छ, त्यसैले L into B भयो. Minus area of inner rectangle. Length of inner rectangle is L minus 2D into breadth of inner rectangle is B minus 2D. This line is clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
यहाँ केही confusion छ भने भनिहाल है. This one is the area of outer rectangle and this is the area of inner rectangle. Inner rectangle को length र breadth लाई हामीले multiply गरेर यति आयो. So now multiply these two. यो दुईटालाई multiply गर्ने काम गर. L into B, त्यसैगरी L into minus 2D into B and minus 2D into minus 2D. And put these inside the bracket because there is minus sign. यतापट्टि minus छ भने bracket use गर्नुपर्छ. Plus भएको भए नगरे पनि हुन्थ्यो. So LB minus L into B, LB, and L into minus 2D, it is minus 2LD, minus 2D into B, minus 2BD, minus 2D into minus 2D, it is plus 4D square. Now remove the bracket and change the sign. Minus ले भित्र multiply गरेर sign change गरिदेऊ. LB minus LB plus 2LD plus 2BD minus 4D square. What is cancelled here? Cancel के भयो? यो LB र
IB.
LB and LB are cancelled. Remaining things 2LD plus 2BD minus 4D square. What is common from these three?
2D. 2D.
2D is common.
Yes, sir.
So this is the formula for area of inner path of the rectangle. Rectangle को inner path को formula 2D bracket L plus B minus 2D. Thus it is easy to remember. Area of outer path मा plus 2D थियो. It's not difficult.
Yes, sir.
फर्मुला याद गरे भने अर्को आफै याद भइहाल्छ। सर्कुलर फिल्डको पनि त्यस्तै हो। सर्कुलर फिल्डको अघि जुन फर्मुला भर्खरै एकछिन अगाडि लेखेका थियौ, पाइ डी ब्र्याकेट 2r + d लेखेका थियौ, पाइ डी ब्र्याकेट 2r + d। त्यसै गरी इनर पाथकोमा माइनस हुन्छ, उसमा प्लस थियो माइनस हुन्छ। फर इनर पाथ, इफ यू रिमेम्बर द फर्मुला अफ एरिया अफ रेक्टेंगुलर फिल्ड फर द आउटर पाथ, एरिया अफ आउटर पाथ अफ रेक्टेंगुलर फिल्ड, that is L plus B plus 2D. अब इनर पाथ को लागि L plus B minus 2D. Just difference is here only. यो माइनस र प्लस मा मात्रै डिफरेन्स छ है। So you can remember it easily. Next one, if this field is square, rectangle नभएर field भयो भने, square भयो भने के होला त? In that case, in place of B also there will be L. So L plus L, it will be 2L. Now again 2 is common and it becomes 4D bracket L minus D. Okay. Area of inner field for the square field is 4D bracket L minus D. Just as like previous one. Outer path को लागि के थियो? Area of outer path 4D bracket L plus D थियो. Area of outer path for rectangle L plus B plus 2D थियो. Here is minus 2D and here is minus D. Now let's move to next one. Area of inner path for the circular field. Of circular field भयो. Let radius of this outer circle is R, capital R. बाहिरपट्टिको सर्कल छ, यसको भित्र बनेको यो पाथ हो, बाटो हो। आउटर सर्कल भित्र बनेको बाटो हो, have width D, यो बाटोको width छ D. Then radius of inner circle, भित्रपट्टिको सर्कलको रेडियस कति बाँकी रह्यो त? R minus D.
R minus D.
D subtract भयो. Again we have to subtract the area of inner circle from area of outer circle to get the area of path.
Area of inner path.
So area of inner path is equal to area of outer circle minus area of inner circle, which gives us area of outer circle is pi r square. Capital R छ बाहिरको सर्कलको रेडियस, अनि भित्रको सर्कलको रेडियस capital R minus D. So it is R minus D square. Again for this one use formula A minus B whole square. Pi r square remains as it is minus pi remains as it is bracket R minus D whole square. R square minus 2RD plus D square. Now remove the bracket and multiply these all by minus pi. Minus pi ले multiply गर्दा sign change हुन्छ. Minus pi r square plus 2 pi RD minus pi D square. Now which values are cancelled here? This pi r square and pi r square cancel. From remaining values 2 pi RD and pi D square, common values are
Pi D.
pi D is common and remaining values inside 2R minus D. Look at this formula for inner path and formula for outer path of circle. Outer path में 2R plus D थियो, inner path में 2R minus D आयो. So easily you can remember it. Do you have any confusion in it?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. So if there is no confusion, let's move to next one. That is the area of cross path. Now look at this figure. There is one field ABCD. You field ABCD से जिसको length L and breadth B. Width of path is D. बाटो को width D छ. And it is cross from left to right, up and down. अथवा नर्थ इस्ट होला, सरी नर्थ साउथ इस्ट वेस्ट जस्तो सुकै भए पनि त्यहाँ एउटा बाटो छ. ओके, दिस इज द पाथ. अब बीचमा यो स्याडो किन गरेको भने दिस रिजन इज द कमन रिजन फर बोथ पाथ. लेफ्टबाट राइटतिर गएको पाथ वा अपबाट डाउनतिर गएको यो पाथ दुईटैको लागि यो कमन भएको हुनाले यहाँनिर स्याडो गरे हो है.
Yes, sir.
General, if you think it in general, This is one rectangle. यहाँ भित्र एउटा rectangle बन्दैछ. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
यो rectangle बन्दैछ. Then what will be area of this rectangle? अहिले भर्खर जुन मैले रेड रेक्टेंगल बनाए यसको एरिया कति हुन्छ? लेन्थ इन्टु ब्रेथ. यसको लेन्थ कति छ? So what is its length? Isn't this path is not made lengthwise? यो यहाँदेखि lengthwise मा बनेको रेक्टेंगल होइन त, लेन्थ मा बनेको छैन त?
Yes, sir.
Across AB. So its length is also L. यसको लेन्थ L नै हुन्छ है. And what is its breadth?
D.
Its
D.
is D. So what will be its area?
L into
Its
D.
area is L into D. Sorry. L into D. For which one? For this rectangle. Similarly, next one there is vertical rectangle. Rectangle, we can say the rectangle made breadthwise. Vertically बनेको rectangle पनि छ त्यहाँ. So for this vertical rectangle, what is its length?
B.
D.
Its length is B. यसको length हुन्छ B and its breadth is
D.
D. So by adding these two areas, यो दुईटै एरियालाई एड गर्यो भने एउटा भयो L into D plus
B into D.
into D. But while adding these two rectangles, rectangle made lengthwise and breadthwise, यो दुईटै रेक्टेंगललाई vertical बनेको या horizontal बनेको दुईटै यो रेक्टेंगललाई एड गर्यो भने जुन यो बीचमा shaded region छ नि यो दुईचोटी एड हुन्छ. It is added 2 times. So we have to subtract it once. एकचोटी यो subtract गर्नुपर्छ. What is its area? What is the area of this shaded region at the center? Center मा बनेको shaded region
D into D.
D into D. That means D square. D square L into D plus B into D बाट D square minus गरेपछि area of cross path आइहाल्छ. This much we have to do here. Okay. So if this field is rectangular, area of path which is made in its length is L into D square units.